This course is brought to you by AppyPie as part of our Academy series.
Hi guys, this is Arifur and welcome to HTML Basic for Beginners. In this video, I will show you how to download Notepad++ software. At first, open Google Chrome, then type google.com. Now type Notepad++, then press enter to search. Make sure the website is Notepad++ org. Just click on the link. Now click on download button. If your computer operating system 32-bit, click on this download button, or if your computer operating system 64-bit, click on here to download. I am clicking on here. Now I have to click on start download. You can see download has been started. Download completed. Now you have to click on close. Then you have to close Google Chrome browser.